This 2026 Jayco Eagle 335 LSTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 4 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.